AI can write, code, and design, but it can't do your old job. Actually, it can't do most of your old job. The skills that remain valuable are not what you think. They are the human capabilities you use every single day. Today, we uncover which of your overlooked professional strengths are truly immune to automation and how you can turn them into immediate income, securing your future against the unpredictable changes coming. This isn't about grand new ideas. It is about recognizing what you already possess. AI can create timelines and assign tasks, but it cannot anticipate human roadblocks, negotiate conflicting priorities, or synthesize disparate information into a coherent path forward. Your 15 years of navigating corporate politics, calming frantic stakeholders, and keeping complex initiatives on track is a skill AI simply cannot replicate. You know how to identify the unspoken risks, motivate a tired team, and pivot when the initial plan inevitably goes awry. This isn't just about checklists. It is about leading people and ideas through uncertainty to a concrete outcome. For example, a small business launching a new internal CRM system often lacks an experienced hand to guide the process, manage vendor relationships, and ensure user adoption. You could step in to lead that entire implementation. Businesses are happy to pay for this peace of mind, with rates typically ranging from $80 to $150 an hour, or project fees between $5,000 and $15,000. This role is pure human judgment and leadership. If you're getting something out of this, genuinely helps me reach more people who need to hear it. Building and maintaining client trust is fundamentally human. AI can draft emails, analyze sentiment, and even suggest responses, but it cannot authentically listen to a frustrated client, empathize with their unstated concerns, or creatively resolve a difficult situation while preserving the relationship. Your extensive experience has taught you how to read between the lines, anticipate future needs, and act as a true strategic partner, not just a service provider. That warmth and credibility you bring, the calming client skill, is precisely what makes you indispensable. When a client faces a crisis, they need a steady, experienced hand, someone who understands their business context and can navigate sensitive discussions. For instance, a medium-sized marketing agency might struggle to retain a key client after a campaign underperforms. Your role could be to rebuild that trust, mediate expectations, and strategically plan the recovery. These relationship management roles command rates from $75 to $120 per hour, or can be structured as value-based retainers for ongoing support. It is about emotional intelligence and strategic alignment. You have likely spent years sifting through mountains of disorganized data, confusing reports, and vague requests, then transforming that chaos into clear, actionable insights. This ability to structure information, to write clear emails that actually get things done, and to build spreadsheets that tell a story, is a high-value skill AI cannot fully replicate. While AI can process data points, it lacks the human judgment to identify the truly critical pieces, understand the underlying business context, or craft communications tailored to specific audiences. Your skill lies in knowing what information matters, how to present it concisely, and what questions to ask to extract meaning. Imagine a startup with multiple data sources needing a consolidated, easy-to-understand executive dashboard and accompanying summary report for investors. You could be the one to design that structure, pull the key narratives, and present the findings. Professionals providing this type of clarity can charge between $60 and $100 per hour, or land project fees from $2,000 to $8,000, depending on complexity. Your ability to create order from disorder is a superpower. Your long career has undoubtedly involved confronting inefficient workflows, identifying bottlenecks, and figuring out how to make operations run smoother. This intuitive knack for fixing what's broken in a process, whether it is a customer onboarding sequence or an internal reporting system, is a deeply human skill. AI can analyze data about process steps, but it cannot walk a team through a flawed workflow, understand the frustration points, or devise creative, people-centric solutions that actual humans will adopt. Your value is in seeing the whole picture, recognizing where friction exists, and implementing practical improvements that save time and money. Consider a mid-sized e-commerce company struggling with a high rate of abandoned carts due to a clunky checkout process. You could analyze their current funnel, interview customers and staff, and design a streamlined, user-friendly solution, then help implement it. This kind of hands-on, problem-solving expertise commands rates from $70 to $130 per hour, or significant project-based fees for the improved efficiency you deliver. You are essentially a business mechanic. Introducing new systems, strategies, or even minor procedural shifts always meets human resistance. Your experience in guiding colleagues through these transitions, managing expectations, and fostering adoption is a vital skill that AI cannot replicate. While AI can draft change communications, it cannot sit with a hesitant team member, listen to their concerns, or empathetically explain the benefits in a way that truly resonates. You understand the nuances of organizational culture, the fears associated with the unknown, and how to build consensus step by step. This human-centric approach is what transforms potential upheaval into smooth progress. For example, a healthcare clinic decides to migrate to a new electronic health record system, a daunting task for busy staff who fear learning new technology. You could design and lead their entire change management strategy from initial communication to training, ensuring a successful transition. Specialists in change facilitation often charge between $85 and $160 per hour or secure lucrative project rates for significant organizational shifts. Your ability to calm and guide humans is paramount. Managing external vendors and strategic partners requires a keen understanding of relationships, negotiation, and accountability that goes far beyond simply reviewing contracts. AI can flag discrepancies in agreements, but it cannot build rapport with a supplier, mediate disputes, or ensure that a partner truly understands and aligns with your long-term vision. Your 15 years in the professional world have equipped you with the discernment to evaluate vendor performance, hold partners accountable with grace, and maximize the value derived from these crucial relationships. You understand the power dynamics and the human element of collaboration. Imagine a small manufacturing company outsourcing its IT services, facing persistent communication issues and missed deadlines from their vendor. You could step in as an independent oversight manager, restructuring their vendor relationship, establishing clear KPIs, and improving communication channels to ensure optimal service delivery. This specialized oversight can command rates from $75 to $140 per hour, often on a retainer basis, because it protects a company's investment and reputation. It is about trusted stewardship. Some problems are messy, unprecedented, and lack a clear algorithmic solution. These are the challenges where your 15 years of accumulated judgment and intuition become invaluable. AI excels at problems with defined parameters, but it struggles with ambiguity, ethical dilemmas, or situations requiring creative, out-of-the-box thinking based on human context and empathy. You have spent years navigating corporate complexities, making decisions with incomplete information, and often having to predict human reactions. This ability to assess risk, understand underlying motivations, and devise solutions for gray area issues is uniquely human. For instance, a small business faces a sudden negative public relations crisis due to an unforeseen event, and they need rapid, wise counsel on how to respond ethically and effectively to protect their brand. You could be the expert advising them, offering strategic guidance beyond what any AI could generate. This high-level, critical problem-solving often justifies rates between $100 and $250 per hour, or significant project fees, given the profound impact it has. Your wisdom is the product. True mentorship and the development of human talent are profoundly personal and empathetic processes, far beyond the capabilities of any AI tool. While AI can suggest learning paths or provide data on performance, it cannot genuinely listen to a mentee's career anxieties, share hard-won personal insights, or inspire confidence during a challenging period. Your extensive career has equipped you with a wealth of practical wisdom and the ability to spot potential, offer constructive feedback, and guide others in their professional journeys. This quiet, impactful act of coaching colleagues is incredibly valuable. Consider a growing company that has recently promoted several mid-level managers who now need guidance on leadership skills, team motivation, and strategic thinking. You could offer tailored one-on-one mentorship, drawing on your own experiences to help them navigate these new responsibilities. This kind of bespoke coaching and talent development commands rates from $90 to $180 per hour, often billed per session or as an ongoing retainer for specific individuals or teams. You are investing in human capital. The truth is, your everyday competence, your human judgment, and your ability to foster relationships are not just doing your job anymore. They are the new gold standard in a world increasingly shaped by AI. You already possess the most valuable skills for the future of work. Recognize them, package them, and confidently offer them to the world. Here is your next step. Go to freelancefitai.com and get your free skills report.